welcome back to my channel. First, let me start off by getting you guys to press that like button, and if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure that you press that subscribe button. Okay, you guys, so we are coming back at you with another hair review. And you guys, this hair is from Fashion Plus, and I want to first start off by saying thank you, Fashion Plus, for choosing me to review your hair, because I was sent this unit courtesy of PR. So let's get into some specs, you guys. So this is a water wave lace front wig with a 4x4 closure. It says it's pre-plucked, and it's 150% density, and it is a Brazilian virgin water wave, and it's 16 inches. Okay, so before I get into my thoughts on the hair, I'm going to show you guys how the hair came packaged. So let's go ahead and roll that beautiful bean footage. As you guys saw, that is how the unit came packaged. Y'all already know how I feel about bags, so I don't need to say it. When I got the unit and I took the unit out of the bag, you guys, it did have a smell to it. It was, if you guys are familiar with virgin bundles, then you'll know the smell that I'm talking about, but it had that virgin bundle smell to it. So in order to get that smell out of it, what I did was I actually co-washed the unit with my Aussie Moist moisturizing conditioner. I put that in the unit, and then I let it air dry. I didn't touch it at all, just let it air dry. And once I let it air dry, the curls just started popping, you guys. Like, at first, when it first came out of the bag, the curl was kind of tight, and in some places it was kind of frizzy. But after I did the co-wash on it, the curls came back. And you guys, this is actually the unit wet. All I did was I took my spray bottle that has some water in it, and I wet the unit down, and then I went over it with this OGX coconut miracle oil. Now y'all, I'm not sure if it was just the shampoo and the conditioners that got people doing these lawsuits, or if it included everything, but honey, I spent my coins on this, so she will be getting used. Now the unit did say it was pre-plucked. In my opinion, it wasn't pre-plucked, you guys. I actually had to go in and I had to pluck the part in order to get what you guys are seeing right. Once I plucked the part, what I did was I took some of this Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth foundation. You guys know that I sometimes use this on my eyebrows when I'm not wearing any foundation on my face, but I use this foundation in the part, and then I topped it off with this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte powder just to kind of go ahead and set it. And you guys, I am actually getting a little bit better. You guys, I had filmed this video previously and I didn't like the way that it came out, just because that part, it wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. So what I did was I switched it from a middle part to kind of like a little side part situation, and I pulled them behind my ears, and you guys, gives me like a fresh, like, makes me feel young. Like, I feel like I'm 18 again. I feel young again, you guys. But with this unit, one of the cons that I will say is the fact that that part, if you are not familiar with plucking, then you would definitely have to take this unit to somebody who is familiar with plucking. Me, I'm not, you know, good with plucking. I'm not good with bleaching of the knots, because the knots do need to be bleached on this unit, and you do have to pluck. What I did, and this is just my personal opinion, how I did it, I feel like it looks pretty good. I mean, you know, you guys could feel differently, but in my personal opinion, just me still being a beginner when it comes down to lace units, I feel like this looks pretty darn good, if I do say so myself. That's one of the cons to the unit. And the unit, just like the previous units I've been getting, they are kind of thin, but it's not a deal breaker because they're not thin to the point where it's just like, yeah, I don't want to wear that. They're just like if you're somebody who wants like full voluptuous hair, then you know this may not be the unit for you, because it is just that 100, it is just 150 density. One thing that I do is I would say if you want it a little bit fuller, you can add more wefts in, just because the way the wefts are sewn onto the unit, you can add more wefts in as you please. But overall, you guys, minimum to no shedding on this unit. You can run your fingers straight through her. She's really pretty. She's really pretty. And I don't know if I was trying to go for a wet look or what, but you know, she's still a little damp, so she's probably just giving the wet look because for all intensive purposes, she is still wet. But you guys, this unit is beautiful. And as always, you guys, you know, I will put the link to this unit in the description box below. I want to say thank you to Fashion Plus for choosing me to review this unit. And here's a shot. You guys know I get a little extra sometimes when it comes down to show you guys the units. I get a little extra. But yes, you guys, let me know down below how you feel like I did, because like I said, I'm still learning, so I want to improve my, you know, with my parts and stuff. So let me know down below how you feel about this, how you feel like I did. Let your girl know. Let your girl know. All right, you guys, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share my content. Share it with your mama, your daddy, your cousin, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your psychotic ex. Just share my content. All right, you guys. All right. Bye.